What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to speed ramp in CapCut PC. So to do that, all we have to do is to bring firstly the video that we want to speed ramp to the timeline, like so. Then what we want to do is to click on it and select it. Then we're going to go to speed option. And here we're going to go to curve. Now we can choose from a preset of speed ramps, like montage for example. I will show you how it looks. And as you can see, it's faster at the beginning, then it's slower, and now it's normal. Or you can choose a custom speed ramp. So let's make it in the beginning very slow. To do that, you're going to click on this and you're going to drag it down, and you're going to make a curve like this. Then we're going to make it a lot faster. And at the end, we're going to let it normal. So let's see how it looks. You can see that now it's slowing down, then it's speeding, and now it's normal again. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.